Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids. Welcome to another exciting adventure in learning and coloring. Today, we're going to explore the letter J. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here it is, the letter J. Isn't it exciting? It's the 10th letter of the alphabet. Can you say J? Let's use our favorite color to make the letter J even more special. We're going to color it purple. Grab your crayons or markers and let's get started. Looks fantastic! Great job coloring the letter J purple. Now, let's learn something new. The letter J stands for jellyfish. Isn't that cool? Let's color our jellyfish next. What color should we use? How about pink? Jellyfish looks so happy and pink. Now we know that J is for jellyfish, and we've had some fun coloring too. So remember, the letter J is for jellyfish, and we colored it purple and pink. Keep practicing your letters and have fun with your colors. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter J and coloring our jellyfish. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.